Alright, welcome back to Adventure Time with Tim. We are here on an island in the Gulf of America. Heck yeah. Called Cayo Costa, just by Cape Coral, Florida. Just down here visiting some family, and we took us out to this island. It's pretty great. We've been stranded here for days, send help. Just kidding. No, it's great. Super, super pretty. I mean, just check out these views.
I just poked this guy, and he's trying to like stab me. He's like, I'll poke you back. I'll poke you back. he's holding onto my finger.
Oh, look at that.
He's like, I'm trying to hide, guys.
When we got here, I was told that there was a boat just stranded inland. Which, you know, I guess that's somewhat normal for the ocean, but well, it looks like their anchor's over here. This is, holy smokes, this is crazy. This thing is massive. It looks like it's been kind of got to by, you know, a little bit of vandalism and stuff, but it's still an incredible sight. All right, let's go check this out. Front Page is the name of this boat. From what I understand, it was beached just off of the beach over here, and there were some people trying to get it refloating and get it back together to get it out of here. And then a hurricane came up, and just no joy there. So it ended up coming to rest right here. Good night. This thing is incredible. Looks like it was already worse for wear. Let's jump up here and let's do a little exploring. Dang. There's a lot of gear just strewn all over the place. Up here, the engine's just all corroded down there. There's all sorts of stuff. We'll see how far we can get on this. So for perspective, the camera is currently flat, and so it's leaning at a pretty good tilt up on top. Man, this thing's massive. Look at this. This thing is absolutely massive. Like the whole bow is smashed up and everything. Holy smokes. I wonder if we can walk down that side. Got all the engine gauges and everything. The throttle handles are all broken off except this one. Wow. That's just something else. Yeah, I don't think there's really... Well, there might be a way to get to the front. Oh yeah, there's a little doorway right there. Some beautiful wood floors. Let's see if we can... I'm wearing boots just to be safe, like some surf boots. Man, the couch is like just up against the window. Man, this must have been... Oh, there's handholds up here. Okay, that's cool. Here's actually what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn horizon lock on. That way you get a perspective of the lean on this boat. This thing was incredible at one point. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna kind of right here. We're gonna jump to that. Yep. Should we go down a little deeper? I don't know. See, why not? We just gotta. Okay. Stairs are okay. Wow, this thing is. Got like stuff in here. It smells really not great. Forward berth in here. What's in here? Oh, another bathroom. Huh. Looks like it goes all the way back in there. I can't really get back in there. There's a lot of stuff down there. There's a lot of stuff. It looks like, oh yeah, like floorboards are pulled up. Dang, that's something else. There's another bathroom over there. All right, I don't want to go too deep in here because this is like, the tilt on this is insane. There it is. Whoo! Oh, well, there's another stairwell right here. Okay, some glass. Got to be really careful of that glass there. It's just... Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Now you can see that is engine room right there. That's pretty cool. Oh man, this is an effort. I think we're leaning almost 45 degrees here on this boat, and this wood is like so slick. Got some nastiness there. I don't want to step in that. Oh, we got like so much grip up here. So much grip. There's that front hatch.
What's your evaluation, Captain?
It's broke to it. This thing is insane to climb around on. This is a whole different thing. So Hurricane Ian and Hurricane Debbie are the two culprits for this. One was used as the original wrecker, and the other one was used as a tool and then ruined it. Super interesting. So somebody was living in this full time. That's just, man, that's crazy. We can look in right here.
Oh yeah, there's the water tanks. That's the main bed. Water tanks are right underneath it. Dang.
That's crazy. That's just insane. There's like a tree poking through the hull over there. Well, that's kind of that. Maybe we're gonna hang out a little longer and then we're gonna head back. Thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe. Peace.
Bye. Hi, friends.
Look at that! Oh my gosh, look at this!